How to delete stake account permanently. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to permanently delete your stake account. Whether you're looking to take a break or no longer want to use the platform, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. Start by opening the stake app or website. Log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, go to your profile by clicking on your account icon, usually located in the top corner, then select account settings from the menu. In the settings, scroll down until you find the account closure or delete account option. It's generally found as the last section of the page. Click on it to proceed. Stake will provide information regarding the consequences of deleting your account, so read through this carefully as you might lose access to funds or information. After reviewing the information, confirm your decision to delete the account. You may need to enter your password or verify your identity. Once confirmed, you should receive a notification that your account deletion request is being processed, so check your email for a final decision confirmation from Stake. And that's it, your stake account will be deleted permanently. Remember that this action is irreversible, so make sure it's what you want to do. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials.